Hi everyone, I'm Steve from Phoenix Haven Garage, and today I'm helping my neighbor sell his 2021 Ram TRX. It is the launch edition of the vehicle. It is in pristine condition. I'm going to give some highlights of the vehicle here, do a walk around, we'll do that now. My neighbor Kevin, he bought this last year. He's driven it very little in that time. He's looking to do some major work around the yard and wants to use a different vehicle, doesn't want to ruin this nice version of the truck here. As you can see, it's a gray-green color. Really big, nice edition wheels on it all around. Got the spare in the back as well. The power washer is not included with it. Exhaust is just humongous. So, sorry for all the extra noise. We're doing some construction over here as well. Under the hood here, we have the 6.2 liter supercharged Hellcat engine. And underneath this plastic cover here is one of my favorite images, is the T-Rex eating the Raptor, or the Ram T-Rex eating the Ford Raptor. So it's hilarious. The truck has not been driven in the winter. It's been stored this whole time, never been through salt. As you can see, everything looks great under here. I'm gonna give it a little extra light, if that's gonna work or not. The truck also has a Bilstein active terrain dynamic suspension in it. Awesome. Very clean under here. Let's take a look at the back before we go into the front. Hi, Bella. Awesome red stitched leather throughout. Beautiful. Almost like WeatherTech floor mats from Ram. Nice covered seats here. The middle part folds down, a nice cup area here, and a rear seat glove box as well. Looks like the back window does slide. And there are storage compartments behind the front and passenger seats as well, and various other things to hold things in. And you have your own separate area here to plug in USB devices, climate control, and voltage as well. Look at that, normal plug. The truck also does have a giant, I'll call it a moonroof, but sunroof. It's just huge. Just see from the top. And let's go check out the front of the vehicle. It does have Harman Kardon speakers in it as well. Beautiful. So I'll do my best to show off the truck here. Start her up. Truck sounds great. You see there, 1,982 actual miles on it. It's got a humongous heads-up display here for you. About the size of a 8-inch screen or an iPad. Going over here, starting over on our media section. And then we have our seat controls for heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as for the passenger side. Various climate control settings as well. And multiple apps as well. Backup camera, surround camera, heated wheel again, travel link, the vents, mirror dimmer. You can either use the buttons to move or use your hand to slide the screen. Phone settings, audio settings as well. Forward cam. Performance pages, send and go. Go into the performance. On our dashboard here, we can see the number. We can see the torque, quarter mile timer, reaction time, power, as if it was an actual sports car. It's crazy. Going to timers. It keeps track of your 0 to 60 times. 300 feet, eighth mile speed, 1,000 feet, quarter mile speeds. You also have additional gauges you can bring up. Coolant temp, oil pressure, trans temperature, air fuel ratio, coolant temp. Hit the button. Battery voltage, air intake temperature, and boost pressure. You can also see the amounts. You can also see the G-force in the truck as you're driving, going around turns. And then a dyno engine performance as you're driving as well. Obviously, we won't be driving it today because of the condition outside here that we currently live in. And vehicle dynamics. What's nice here too is you also have physical buttons to use. So not everything is located inside the menu. A bunch of auxiliary buttons down here as well. Some more USB plugs. Also a nice shifter down here, and it looks like it has a setting for auto shifting. You can see here, there's the launch edition plaque that came on the truck here with the VIN. Of course, you have a glove box. There's a double stacked Awesome. And looking up top as well, we have we have a button to put the gate down. You can turn the side indicators on and off for when someone's next to you. Assistance for calling for help, as well as the options here to open the moonroof above me here as well. Really nice. Let's give her a little gas here and see how she sounds. That's great. That's almost going to 3,000 RPM too. Pretty cool. What do you say, Bella? Cool truck?
Yeah.
Give me a thumbs up. Over here, we have a compartment here. That's a nice stowaway. I really like that. That's really slick. And down here, we have a glove box as well. Pretty nice, huh, Bella?
Yeah.
Yeah. Standard mirror, and passenger side. And you also have buttons for your garage door openers as well. So if you're interested in this vehicle, please check the description. I'll have links to the ads where you can contact myself. I'll help you work a deal with my neighbor Kevin and hook you up with your new truck.